Hey, Jimmy Martin here, your real estate professional at Home Advantage Realty, and I am here today at 655 Carter's Grove Lane in beautiful Blythewood, South Carolina. This home is in the Grand Arbor subdivision all the way down Langsford Road. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, and over 3,100 square feet. And you see it does have a 2-car garage. And there's enough of parking here for probably maybe 4 cars on the outside, maybe one or two on the inside. But the street down this way, it's a cul-de-sac, so down that way it ends. If you go up that way, that's where the amenity center, you make a left. The amenity center's right there. You got your basketball court, nice swimming pool, and really enjoyable looking amenity center they have up there. But enough about that, let's take a quick look inside. All right, let's go through this home quickly. When you go inside, have a little foyer right here. Does have an alarm system on this home, and it's connected to the home. It will stay with the home. You just got to put in your name. Do have a small fence up here, a little entranceway because of their dog. They don't want the dog to actually run out if somebody comes and visits. A little small bathroom right here with almost zero entry. Not quite, but almost. Bedroom at the front. Maybe a good in-law suite. Swing around here. Let's go to the right real quick. This is the laundry room, of course. Nice appliances. Little closet for storage, of course. He finished up the garage. He put the epoxy coating on the bottom. And this is a downstairs office. It can be used as storage and office. A lot of people work from home. So him and his wife work from home. He works down here. She works upstairs. Beautiful chef-inspired kitchen. Nice refrigerator. That is not a dual oven. That's microwave on top, and of course the oven on the bottom. Gas, nice hood, open kitchen, very nice backyard. We'll go out here in a minute. Great room. This home is a little bit bigger than normal. He extended it a little more that way, about 3 or 4 feet, I think. And also he enclosed this room that was a screened-in porch and made it to like a more sunroom. We'll go look at that in a minute. Let's go look at the owner's suite real quick. Nice little closet right here on the left. Right. Come into this room. As you see outside, you got woods back there. That is a green space. And there's a way you can go down to the other, if you walk down the street and there's a path to go up in there. So there's like wilderness walking trails back there. Beautiful bathroom for the owner's suite. Double vanity mirror. Nice soaking tub. Stand-up shower. You do have a water closet. It does shut. A little more closet space up in there for your toilet paper and things like that. Good size closet for the owner's suite. And let's back out this way. Again, another beautiful view of the room. Ceiling fans in all the rooms. Another look at this beautiful open area to live in. More of a great room. Another shot from it this way. This is a nice little tranquil room. I've been sitting there listening to the little water trickle. That's just beautiful. Ceiling fan in here too. Let's walk out here real quick. All right, back door is open. Yep, here we go. So right now it's about 2:30 in the afternoon on Sunday, and the shade's starting to come this way. Sit out here in the shade. I can smell some people barbecuing. This young man over here has got his grill going. There's like a little small stream that goes that way. He says it's never gotten any higher than what it is right now, and you can't even see it. Let's walk over here. I'll show you real quick. Whole yard is fenced. So that's basically it. You can't really see it. So all that's part of the community, of course. The property line is along where these trees are, right along here. Green space in the back. Fence jar, so if you have a little woofy, they can come back here. You won't have to monitor them. Back shot of the house. Beautiful home. All right, let's go upstairs and see what is going on upstairs with the 3 bedrooms up there. All right, walking up the stairs. This is more of a flex room here. You have this huge room up here. It's got a TV up here, got a ceiling fan up here. If you got kids, no matter what age they are, this is where they'll be hanging out. You got like a little game area right here. They have their toys out here. You know, got not making a mess downstairs. Got your friends over. You gotta tell your kids to clean up because all of it's up here, and the rooms are up here too. And then they can watch their own TV programs up here. Then when they get older, when they start playing games or whatever else, they go TV thing right here. Nice sofa. This is one of the bedrooms he's converted into a room that he wants his memorabilia in with sporting stuff. So you might be able to want to do that too. Good size closet right here. Walk back out here into the flex room. This is where utility closet. It's where your HVAC is going to be at. So that way it can be easily worked on. This house is built in 2025. You shouldn't have any issues with that. Now this bedroom, nice little closet here, of course. Don't need to look too much in there. This bedroom has some bathroom. So it was designed where the almost zero entry, got some grab handles on there. Those will come off. You can put your own up there if you want to. Good sized bedroom. So if you do have a parent that wants to come live with you, this might be something they could do. Come up here. And nice bathroom. There's me. Good sized bathroom. That's your tub, shower, toilet, dual vanity. And this is another bedroom, but they're using this as an office. So closet, window to egress out of, and another shot of that flex room. So if 655 Carter's Grove Lane here in Blythewood is something you're interested in, and if you want to schedule a private showing of this beautiful home, give me a call at 803-238-7227. Be more than happy to show you this home or any other home in this community or any other home in Blythewood, Lexington, Lugoff, West Columbia. I'm a real estate agent for the whole state, mainly here in the Midlands, but give me a call, show this house to you or any other house here in the Midlands. Just call me.